Hey guys, the Bard here. Today I'm gonna show you this new hand spinner I got from Toys R Us for about $199.75 or about $4. There were different colors and different designs for this hand spinner at Toys R Us, but I chose this particularly because I thought it was heavier. And I thought maybe the heavier the spinner is, the longer the spinning time you get from it. And fortunately, I tried it out and timed it, and I got about a minute and a few seconds of spinning time in one go. So let's try this one out. That's it. If you want to see more toy videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, The Bard. See you next time.